Welcome to tutorial number 4. In this tutorial, we will cover the functionality of Cubeit Unlimited and apply the style file you created in tutorial number 2 to create new images. Cubeit Unlimited is a total package that includes Cubeit Professional. Unlimited adds the ability, though, to analyze slices, manage multiple contour views, compare events over time, and manage your data all within one environment. So let's get started. Open up the .chprj or project file provided by WaterCube. It will load with the default table view of all of the slices that have been defined for your project. WaterCube also provides a core set of images of your velocity profiles to help you get started with analyzing your river. By providing these images, you can quickly look through your river slices and read it, much like a book. This can be very helpful in identifying specific characteristics about your river or to consider a specific study site for further analysis. Many scientists use this as a way to identify potential sites for instrument placement or to identify stream power. Now, let's take a look at applying the style file you created from the previous tutorial to create some different images based on your preferences. Since this database includes 4 events, we can create new images and compare them side by side. Choose the number of slices from the left sidebar that you want to create new images for. In this example, we have selected 6 slices from each event, and the table now contains 24 total slices. Now you are ready to create your new images. Select the slices and right-click, Create Images. At this point, you can apply your new style and create your image. At the bottom, you will notice that it is working on creating all of your images. When the Manage Jobs light turns green, you'll know that you have completed the job. Click on the green dot and deposit your images and hit Next in the second pane. Right-click and view your images. Now you have 24 new images based on the style file you created within your image viewer. To the right-hand sidebar, Properties come up and you will see 2 tags. These tags are used to identify the different images you created with multiple style files. For instance, if you selected the second tag, you will now see the newest images you just deposited. If you want to compare them to the default images, you can open up a new viewer by viewing your images and selecting that tag. Now you're taking a look side by side at both of the images created from different style files. So now we're going to take a look at the differences between some of your images. To look at these differences between multiple velocity profiles, you can select the same slice from each event and view images. This can be nice to visually see the magnitude of the difference between 2 flow events or to compare changes in bathymetry over time. Select your master image and click Diff from Current in the lower right sidebar. A new image viewer appears, highlighting the differences between your master image and the subsequent events. You're now looking at the 4 events over time, but the same profile. The next thing we're going to do is look at line plots. Some common things to look at are discharge down the river and looking at surface water elevations. Unlimited provides you this ability to create line plots with various parameters that have been captured within your data set. Reset your filters to the default state to view all of your data once again. Select the line plot icon. To view your data correctly, you must set the X and Y axes. Set the Y-axis to centerline distance and the Y-axis to discharge. Group your data by event date. The data looks disconnected because in this example, there are two centerlines. You will need to sort by centerline source and specify the centerline of interest. Now you are looking at discharge for the 4 different events throughout the river reach. To create another plot of your surface water elevations for the 4 events, open another plot. Set your axes and group by date. Now you're looking at your surface water elevation for the 4 separate events. To zoom in on specific sections of the river, you can adjust your filters to the left. This allows you to focus on a smaller section of your river and to analyze it in further detail. You will notice that both line plots adjust as you do so. You have now completed all of your tutorials for Cubeit, and you're ready to visualize your river like never before.